Welcome to the course Global Climate Change, Convergence of Disciplines. Shown here is the front cover of our textbook. I'd like to present you with your first challenge. Identify what is depicted in the cover photo. I imagine some of you are disappointed that your instructor is not Al Gore. But consider this. Would you rather take a course from a politician named Gore or a course from a botanist named Bloom? Perhaps it's better that I not know your answer. This video segment will cover three major topics. First, the definition of climate. Second, the rudiments of numerical chart reading. And third, the importance of climate. Let's start out with the distinction between weather and climate. Most of you know that weather involves physical factors such as temperature, humidity, precipitation, and wind speed and direction. Climate is a long-term trend in the weather. In this case, long-term trends means averages over about a decade. As Mark Twain said, "Climate is what we expect, but weather is what we get." Often people say to me, "It was unseasonably cold this week. Doesn't this disprove global warming? Has it been unseasonably cold this past decade?" In fact, every year of the last decade has been among the warmest 12 years on record, a record that extends 131 years. In descending order, the warmest years are 2010, 2005, 1998, 2003, 2002, 2006, 2009, 2007, 2004, 2012, 2001, and 2008. Thus, nearly everyone agrees that global warming is occurring. Is Earth's climate changing? How important is climate? Say I'm planning a wedding and would like to hold an outdoor reception in Davis, California, where I live. Davis has a Mediterranean climate that typically has rain during the winter months, but drought during the summer months. Let's look at a chart of precipitation in Davis. Some of you may be adverse to charts such as this, but consider what distinguishes you from a minimum wage job is the ability to interpret such charts. Your textbook includes a primer on reading charts such as this. The horizontal scale here represents the month, and the vertical scale represents the total amount of rainfall in a particular month. The points of one color and shape, connected by lines, represent the values for a given year. The chart shows that rain seldom, if ever, falls in July in Davis. In contrast, rain in December may vary anywhere between 0 and 240 millimeters. That's almost 10 inches. Thus, a July wedding would be the best bet for a rain-free outdoor reception.